Good morning, children. Class 6 Social Science. The study of human evaluation can be scientifically studied with help of archaeology and anthropology. Now we are going to see anthropology. Anthropology attempts by investigating the whole range of human development and behavior to achieve a total description of cultural and social phenomena. Excavated materials remains are the main source for the archaeological studies. Next we are going to see Homo sapiens. See, Homo sapiens were the wise men. They migrated out of Eastern Africa, settled in different parts of the world. Their lifestyle also evolved and made it suitable for the environment which they lived. Human evaluation means the process through which the humankind changes to the advanced stage of life. So modern humans has evolved. First humans in erect position and walking on two legs happen much later. Changes in thumbs so that they can hold things tightly. Development of brain. Next one we are going to see hunting and food gathering. So our ancestors lead a nomadic life. They lived in groups in a caves. They kept on moving in search of food. They hunted pig, deer, bison, elephant and bear for food. So they learned the art of fishing. They collected honeys from the beehives, plucked fruits from the trees, and dug out tubbers from the ground. They also collected grains from the forest. Once the food resources got exhausted in one area, they moved to another places in search of food. So they were hides of animals and barks of trees for protecting the bodies during the winter. So human begins hunting to satisfy the need for food. We are going to see the stone tools and weapons. You can see in the picture the stone tools and weapons. So to make a stone tool, what they have to do, two stones are taken. One was used as a hammer to sharpen, other for removing the flakes. So the hunting was the main occupation in the human in the past. It was difficult for the humans to kill big animals with a stick or the stone. So they decided to use the sharpen the weapons. The best stone for making the weapons was chikumuki. It is known for strength and durability. So humans spends many hours in search of flint of stones. So they sharpened the weapons and tools with the help of the stones. They fitted them with the wood. So humans created tools with axes with the big stones. So you can see the stone tools and weapons. So you can see the axes. Axes was made to cut the trees and remove the barks, and you can dig the pits. You can hunt the animals and remove the skins of the animals. For that the axes were used. So stone tools have become important. Stone tools and weapons has become important in human life. So humans discovered the use of fire. You can see in the picture, humans are discovering the use of fire. Today even you can see in Nilgiri districts in Tamil Nadu, people have the habit of making the fire without use of matchbox. They make with the stones. Thank you, children.